Well, hey there, big guy. Looks like you've been alone for a while. Shouldn't be here, but time's the way of deciding these things. So, all I know, it moves too quickly, and then not at all. Oh, thank goodness. All right, straps secure, ready to pull. Copy that. Engaging. Engage lift, slow and steady, check tension. Tension confirmed, lifting out, watch for fall debris. Don't worry, you're all strapped in. Hold still, perfect tension, secure for travel. Let's go. All right, bring it in slowly, watch the edges. Almost there. The lift is secure, we've moved into phase 3. Let's let me lift trajectory to phase 3. All right, move up just a little further, and come down, welcome home. Oh, look at all the dirt coming out. We've been holding that in for decades. Hey, that's all. Just take it easy. Hold still. It's trying to go anywhere by itself. I said careful down there. Okay, let's hit this section. Looks pretty bad. Let it rip. Watch the pressure. Good, we're breaking through. All right, time to blast this off. This is going to take a while. Just need to get the angle right. Careful with the suspension. Steam cleaning these connecting rods is critical. Look at that grime melt away. Oh, look at this. It's still dripping. Heavy sludge. I feel so much better. Good, we're almost done. I can already see a difference in my spokes. Keep the high pressure on that lower seal. Almost there. All right, good. Perfect. Moving on. Up on the middle, like we covered. Let's see if it takes 5 minutes up to the height. It should penetrate that most quickly. All right, time for this little move. Just a little more pressure. There. Got it. All right, come on, you got this. Just a little more pressure. Yes, there it is. Now turn. Okay, let's see how stuck this one is. Deep breath. Careful there, it's really roughed it in. You already got it on you. Oh dear. Come on, you old beast. Just a little more.
Deep in the heart of the unforgiving mountains, where silence reigns and the whisper secrets of the past, I made a discovery that would change everything. There, buried under decades of dust and rock, stood a forgotten giant. It was Murdoch, a mighty steam engine that flowed to rust in the wilderness. His voice proud orange flame was faded, his iron bones weary, and his face bore an expression of deep, heartbreaking sadness. He was waiting for a friend who never came.
Looks good. That weld is smooth and holding. The texture, it tells the story of years past. Look at the rust here. Deep and flaky. A true relic of a bygone era. All right, that should hold it. This area is definitely compromised. Need to cut here. All right, let's see how this fits. Almost perfect. Just need to secure it. This isn't gonna hurt, is it? Just a routine procedure. Keep still. All right, perfect fit. Good as new. All right, time to apply the primer. Just gotta make sure this coat is even. Looking good. Final pass on the cabin here. All right, perfect fit. Just gotta tighten these bolts up now. You look perfect. We did good, didn't we? Remarkable. Every detail restored to perfection. You did it. Restored to glory. Thank you, man. All right, just a few more passes, and this finish will be flawless. Almost done with this section without trying. Just need to get his last bit in strikes. There, perfect. All that hard work paid off. Perfect. It rolls like a dream. And here it is, Murdoch. Finally, fully restored to his former glory. Watch the machine. Perfect, it's ready.
Until now, I knew I couldn't walk away. The mission to rescue him was dangerous, requiring heavy cranes and determination to pull him from his rocky grave. We brought him home to the workshop, where the true transformation began. Day by day, we scrubbed away the grime, cut out the rot, and healed his broken metal. It was a labour of love, a journey from rust to riches. As the fresh orange paint gleamed in the first puff of steam rose from his chimney, I saw the light return to his eyes. He wasn't just a machine, he was a friend found again. Watching Murdoch roll out into the golden sunset, fully restored and glorious, was a moment of pure magic. The rails are singing once more, and he is forgotten no more.